Good morning, students. Welcome once again. Today, we are going to talk about resume building for freshers. As you know how important preparing a resume by your own. Resume, it sounds very simple and easy, but resume itself is a very complicated one. Why? Because resume is the first point of contact that you'll make to the interviewer. That means your resume is a screening tool to that interviewer or company to reflect about your personality or competences. So, dear student friends, spend your little time to prepare your resume by your own. This resume acts as your personal advertisement to make your career a great success. Let us see how the resume will look for freshers. Let me share you PPT for your more clarity. Resume. First, you should write about your details, your name, email ID, contact number in the left hand side. Your name should be as per your 10th class mark statement. Your email ID should be a professional email ID, contact number, active number. Left side. Once you finish your details, just move to right side. You should fix your latest photograph. That photograph should be professional one. Fine. In the heading part, your details and your photograph is enough. Next one, objective. Yes. Preparing objective as having a paramount importance in resume. This objective, I mean the statement, what you are going to design for your objective should reflect your skills, what you are going to offer to the company or job, and how it would be benefited to the company. I mean, objective statement must and should include these two focal points. One more standard format is objective should start with preposition or articles. Fine. I'll show you an example how to frame objective in next slide. Next one is academic qualification. In this academic qualification section, you should write your course name, your institution or college or university where you have completed your course. Next one is from which board you completed that course. Finally, percentage. Your academic details must start with highest attainment. That is, if you have completed MBA, first you must write that qualification as first row. Next one, your project. This project section reflects your practical knowledge, how good you are in a subject and how good you are applying or apply subject knowledge into practicality. Next one is accomplishment statements. If you have any, you must include here. It gives sound reflection to that interviewer. If you won some gold medals or awards, rewards, then you can include that under this section. Next one is interests and activities. If you are a member of any social or academic clubs, then you can mention that under this interests and activities section. Hobbies, your hobbies, or your desired doing of things. This interests and activities section reflects your personality type, whether you are an explorer or analyst or else like that. They can analyze based on the information given by the student. Next one, personal data. Your name, your father name, your date of birth, your permanent address, your known languages. Fine. Last one is declaration. In this declaration, you are giving a bharosa to the interviewer that the above mentioned information is absolutely right as per your knowledge. Finally, you have to do signature at last along with where from you are sending this resume and date. Fine. In this interests and activities, you can add additional skills, whatever you have. That adds a add-on to your resume. Hope it is clear how to prepare resume and what's the importance of resume. I have told you to frame the statement of objective. This is major thing in your resume. Convey a match between you and the position, communicate what you have to offer, identify skills that will benefit the organization or industry, tailor your objective to the job or field. Fine. Objective statement should be framed in such a way that it should reflect what you can offer to them, at the same time how that offering would benefit to the organization. Normally what students do, they prepare a resume and sending same resume to all the positions or all the job postings. But that is not the way to send a resume. First, you must analyze what's the advertisement sent to us. You must see what's the job title they have given. You should change according to that job position. Fine. See an example for framing an objective statement. Seeking an entrepreneurship with XYZ Corporation in which I can utilize my proven leadership abilities and recognized customer service skills. Identifying customer service skills is a benefit to the company. Whereas, what's your offering to company? Leadership abilities. Is it okay? Now you are clear how to frame objective? Then education. I have told you. Educational qualification, highest qualification should come first. Accomplishment state. How to frame an accomplishment statement? Here we have two parts. Number one is results or benefits that came as a result of your work. Even in your project work, you can give a elaborative details. What's the thing you have done in that particular project and what's the results you drawn from that project, how it would be helpful to society or to that company. Your interests and activities. Fine. With this section, interviewer can assess your personality type. Is it okay? Hope it is very clear to build your resume by your own. I hope you are going to follow this standard format and prepare your resume by your own. Good luck.